We know well you do your best to provide an excellent service. As soon as possible, the best possible way, and always making the impossible possible for your clients. So that's the only way to make them happy. But there's always something that slows you down. All that administrative paperwork between you and your client, delaying deadlines, taking away hours of work until you get all the information. And for each client, more and more paperwork. Well, at least that happened before Parallel. Parallel deals with paperwork so that you and your client feel confident, making it very easy for you to list all the information, either from scratch or, even better, using one of our public templates of processes to have your requirements ready with just a single click. So that's it? Just a form? Offer your clients a secure portal with your corporate branding to stay always connected with them, saving their time by ensuring they only respond to what is needed, and saving yours too by being able to send everything at once. Obviously, processes are not for a single person. Don't forget to share it with your team to split up the work. You will be able to control the progress of all your processes. Add comments whenever is necessary, and when they are ready, you can review, sign, and even automate the generation of documents needed to close the process. But that's not all. You can integrate Parallel with hundreds of third-party apps to further automate your processes. What are you waiting for to start speeding up your paperwork with Parallel? Try it for free today.